Perth. Will the First Minister make a statement on support for the shellfish industry following the decision to leave the European Union?
Well, we're actively working with the industry and highlighting to the United Kingdom government the fundamental need to secure continued unfettered access for Welsh shellfish to key markets post-EU exit.
Thank you for that response. In 2015, marine agriculture was worth some £12 million to the Welsh economy. It is an industry and an important employer in my constituency, and the ability to sell in a single market without tolls has been an important contribution to the future of the industry. Now, to give you some figures, 98% of the Bangor mussels producers is exported, some 70% to the Netherlands, 20% to France and 10% to Ireland. May I quote one of the leaders of the industry who has praised some of the negotiations that have happened internally in Wales since the vote, but he said that he fears the worst for Wales because of the fact that Wales, nor Scotland, nor Northern Ireland will have a direct voice in the negotiations on exiting the European Union. Can the First Minister tell us, therefore, what the Welsh Government's strategy will be from here on out to try and safeguard the future of these important industries?
Well, 90% of the fish caught in Wales are exported, and so any tariff or toll or any kind of any other kind of obstacle will be bad for the export market, because we know the United Kingdom market is too small to secure a future for them, and that is why it's so important to ensure that the United Kingdom government sticks to its word in order to ensure that there is a strong voice for Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland over the ensuing discussions.